All right, we are back with another video. This video is going to be slightly different than the previous ones in this series. Um, Previously, I was kind of just hanging out with friends, doing whatever, listening to music, not really commentating much, just working. But this time, since it's the final video of this week and the final video of the mechanics week, meaning getting all of this stuff done, this mechanics week stuff done, I decided to just do a commentary. But yeah, we don't have too much left to do, but we do have some stuff to do. So let's get right into it. So we kind of left off, we had built all the shops. We can buy shops, whatever. I need to go over and delete this specific thing. It's not supposed to be on land. But we need to add more dragons. This dragon can't be the only dragon that exists. We're gonna have to add more. So we are going to implement more. So let's go to our dragon customer. Let's duplicate it. Let's call him customer 2. And let's open it up. All right. So first thing first, we need to change the quest name to customer 2. Let's see. I don't think we need to change any of this stuff for that. Or this. Okay. It looks like that's the only thing we need to change. The next thing we need to do. Actually, wait. We need to change the sprite. That is probably important. Let's see. I'm trying to remember what folder the dragons are held in. Don't actually know. Seems like some of my sprites are not loading. Oh. So this might take a little to find. I think it's this one. Yeah, okay. So we have a green dragon here. Let's go look at the green dragon sprite. So this was in this one, I think. Right here. So that's not the one we want. Okay. Maybe the one we want is this one. Yes, okay. We want this one, this green one. Yes, the question mark and the nothing. Okay. So we're gonna need to change that. So let's go back up here. The top down 2. The green dragon. All right. That should be it for, I believe, this object. I believe the next thing we need to do is change it in our UI to show off the quest correctly. And let's see if we can figure out which one this is. Oh, it's not this one. This one, probably. Yes. Here, we have here. Yeah, okay. There's our customer 1 script. And here's going to be our customer 2. Be right next to it. So instead of red, we have green. The next thing here is instead of 1, it's 2. And this should be 2 as well. All right. That should be it. We need to do that one more time. So let's go and duplicate this. Find customer 3. Let's open it up. Only thing we need to do, change this to 3. Go grab our blue sprite. And we need to go back to our UI element. Copy this, paste it, say blue. Customer 3 and customer 3. And then this needs to be 3 as well. And that should be there, duplicating the dragons. So let's go and bring out our dragons here. Just put them in the same place so we can test all 3 at the same time. All right, let's look at it. All right, so we have our quests and whatnot. All right, so let's go talk to you. Should be green. I would like 4 watermelon. Okay, that matches up. Talk with red. I would like 6 coconuts. Red wants 6 coconuts. I would like 4 pineapple. Blue wants 4 pineapple. All right, nice. So let's go complete the quest for them. So we need to grab some coconuts. All right, that's 6 coconuts enough. We need more pineapple. I have enough watermelon. We need more pineapple. Ah, there we go. On the way back. All right, so start with green. Green thing goes away. Thank you for the reward. We're obviously going to move it so they can see this better. But, yeah. Let's see. 12 gold coins. We did go from 25 to 37, so that's correct. Okay, so we'll change that. So one of the things I need to do is when it goes on cooldown, we give them image index number 3. Or number 2, sorry. Okay. We talked to both of them at the same time. Not really a big deal because they won't be next to each other, but it looks like those worked. And yeah, so it looks like the only thing we need to do is make sure that these guys are close enough inward to where their text won't just fly off the screen. So we're also going to move blue down here. We're going to move green right over here, probably. That's fine, yeah. All right. Maybe I should move green down over here on the screen patch right here. Right here. All right. We'll decorate that later, not today. But that's kind of the idea. So let's go in and change that, what we said earlier. So when we go on cooldown, it's going to be somewhere in here. Plus cooldown right here. So I think what we can do is say if cooldown is true. Yeah, cooldown true. Then image index is equal to 2. So let's try that for all of them. All right. Well, we only need to test one of them since they all have basically the same code, but go talk with Red. I'd like 4 coconuts. So let's go grab him his 4 coconuts. 1 catfish. That's going to be hard to get. So we're going to go back to here. And he goes to MX3, so and then we're gonna wait. Let's cool down. So this should go back to image index 0 when it's done. And it does. Here we go. Now you get time with him again. One catfish is going to be tough. So that's that. One thing we need to do is implement the fishing buff, because currently it is not possible to catch a catfish without the fishing buff, and there's no way currently to get the fishing buff. So we need to get that. So let's go open this fishing buff guy. Okay, nothing really too much here to think about. Ooh. Hello. I would like dollar amount. So we're gonna need to change this. I would like fetch item amount and fetch item. See, not what we want, I don't think. Not quite. We want to say number and then like gold coins or something. Alright, so how are we getting the fetch item amount? Here it is. 100 to 125. That's way too much, I think. I think that's too much. Well, okay, so should the fishing buff be like a one-time purchase where it is this expensive and they just get the fishing buff permanently and then it unlocks the ability to catch catfish? Or we could have it on a cooldown like the last fishing buff I did. I'm still trying to figure it out. I kind of want to do it permanently just so I don't have to think about it too much. Just like a one-time quest. Yeah, we might want to do that quest. So we can get rid of text box 4. Not enough money, that's fine. And we can get rid of this. Okay, thank you for the gold coins, reward fishing buff. And our, actually, let's say fishing upgrade. They don't have to know what it is in code, but we can just call it an upgrade in text. String fetch item amount, that's going to be, that needs to be there. And we need to say gold coins for fetch item. And we do need to actually change the fetch item to fishing upgrade. So let's do this. Go fishing upgrade. There we go. let's move this text box over a little. There we go. And we're gonna need to test this to see the length of the text box. But, oh, we haven't placed them in the scene. Okay, so the other thing, I'm sure we haven't upgraded this yet, so... Okay, make it a flat 100. So one thing that we want to do is make a bool variable that's just going to say, it's just going to hold whether we have bought the upgrade or not. And so that's just going to turn out true. And okay, so we're going to get rid of this alarm. We don't need that alarm. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so if the quest is true, the fetch item is fishing upgrade. Capital. Ooh, capital. Okay. Gold coins minus fetch amount. Okay. So one of the things we can do is actually take what we did with some of the merchants, buying the merchant shops, and put that. Oh, that's the wrong one. Okay, so we're gonna get this dude. We're gonna take this. That's what we want. So, okay, we might need to make a new dragon sprite for this guy. Yeah, but okay, so instead of this text box one, we're gonna go this. Instead of cost to build, we're gonna say fetch item amount. And we're gonna say fishing upgrade. Would you like to purchase fishing upgrade for 100 gold coins? Don't turn, right click. Okay. Fishing reward, fishing upgrade. Thank you. Okay. And we're gonna need to do some shenanigans here. So it was pretty scuffed the way I did it this way, but it's fine. So I think we're gonna take this code and try and make it work with this. So give it some space. Okay, so if textbox 1 is up, Then we enable choice. So enable choice. Okay. We're going to go to alarm. We're going to say enable choice is equal true. Okay. Text box, text equals. Instead of is built is equal true, we're going to say fishing upgrade is true. Okay, is busy false. Enable choice false. Yes. Ah, I see. Might be a bug on. That might be a bug over here. I never noticed. Enable choices never equals false for canceling. It's probably the same for the other guy. This guy. Yeah. Okay. Just a little bug fix, I guess. It's not breaking or anything. I just remember it existed, but I didn't think of a fix for it at the time. Okay, let's go back to our. Oh, it's right here. Okay, so instead of cost to build, we want to replace cost to build with. What was it called? Fetch item amount. Okay. Okay, then we can get rid of this. We can then get rid of, not get rid of it, but move this. We'll move this to the reset. What is this doing? To and remove cost. Yes, we need. So if they buy it, we're going to remove, make sure that they don't have the question mark or exclamation mark, and then remove the quest from thing. Okay. Yep. So if the given quest is equal to true, we will say okay. We will just say text box is equal to 1. So that's that part. So what's this text box 3 here? Not enough money. Okay. So we don't need that. Or do we need that? So what we can do is, so if not enough money is this case right here, or going text box 0, we need to say text box 3, and then is busy is false, enable choice false. Yeah, that's fine. It's all fine. And then we'll say image index. It should be 1 still, but we're just gonna say 1. So why not? Okay. Let us figure this. Let's test it. Let's go to our, make sure it's integrated with our UI. Fishing buff dragon. It's going to be fishing. Fish upgrade. We'll just try to see if it fits fishing upgrade. Plus fetch item. No. Plus gold. We'll say 100 and then space gold. There we go. That should be good. Okay, let's just see how it looks. Oh, looks like it doesn't like something. Operator expected. 25. This one. So fishing upgrade plus string fetch item amount. Okay. Wait, what? And then sing here. Okay, okay. I got it. Okay. Okay, let's go check it out. You know, when we actually place the dragon into the island. Or we should just put him next to where we were. Yeah. What am I saying here? Oh, right. Okay. I see. Should be right down here somewhere. Yeah, there we go. Add quest, and then we should have a remove quest, which we got rid of. Okay, we need to say obj dot hashing. Oh, we have it here. Remove quest. Okay. There we go. All right, let's go check it out. Yeah, run through the water. All right. That is a problem. But okay, let's, regardless of whether, because it's I see 100 gold here. It's not okay. Let's cancel. Okay, cancel doesn't do anything. Right. Because I know. I think I know why. Because we aren't setting the alarm up, and the alarm is what allows us to start. All right. So right here, we're gonna say alarm 0 is equal to 60, which will set this alarm, enable our choice. All right. The other thing. -400. Okay, so we need to move this to a like a more positive y. So let's just change all this to like plus okay, where should we go? Plus 100, sure. And this is 76 and 92. What's that difference? 16? Okay. So this would be plus 116. Okay. Plus. And this is middle, so it's going to be 80. Yeah. 84. I think is what it is. Yeah. And then 68. All right. Okay. Let's go check that out. So that's actually good. We just need to move the text down to compensate for where this thing is. Okay. So looks pretty good. So one of the things I kind of want to do is do this. Okay, the next thing I want to do is oh, this just doesn't match. Oh, negative 116. Well, okay. Well, I want to. Okay. So this negative 116 means that this one needs to be 100, and this needs to be, I think, is it 116? Man, I don't know. Let's just look at it. 132. Okay. So it's close. So that means that the top one, so welcome needs to be 132. And this needs to be was that 48? And then 164. There you go. I think what we're gonna do. Okay. So I'm trying to figure out what I want to do here. So we're gonna want to move this probably down one more. Or actually, maybe I could just tab, or not tab, but make a line down. Okay. Then we're gonna remove fishing from the quest name. Left clicked, not enough money. That's a good thing. Click, right click. Right click doesn't cancel, and we need it to. Okay, so this needs to be higher, so I think 180. And then okay. 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 It's fine. Plus we're gonna need to add, I don't know how much, a lot. So the low, okay, so we need to put it here. And then here. And then this needs to be plus 27. And then, oh no. 127. This one. Okay. Alright. Look at it now. Maybe I should move this down a little. This feels claustrophobic right here. That's fine. So let's right click and it cancels. Okay. Left click. So it looks like if you, the first time it works, but then when you go re-talk to him, it doesn't work. So I feel like it should be fine, but well, we right clicked and canceled. It turned busy to false so we can move. It turned enable choice to false so we could retry again. Text box is 0, so there's no other prompts. Is that it? Ah, okay. I got it. I got it. So the second time when we go in, we're not setting the alarm either. So there. Next thing as well, we need to go here. We need this. On. So we're gonna right click, cancel. I'm gonna go into here. Not enough money. I click. Okay. So let's go and check out this. Let's go check out the rewards, make sure we're getting the correct reward. Which we're not. So I believe we need to go to and say PCU dot fishing buff is equal to true. I believe that's what we need to do. Okay, so next thing is we need to open our player. Let's make sure our gold is 100. And next thing we're gonna do is move this island around. So we need to go and background art. Ah, there we go. Let's bring it like right here. Okay, let's go to the foreground art. Do that. Perfect. And let's go interaction. Bring this to here. Okay. Go to workspace. One thing we need to check is how we know if we can catch a catfish or not. Which I'm trying to remember where that was. Is that the manager? No. Oh, yes, manager here. Okay, so it is just fishing buff true or not. And one thing we're gonna do is change this to 0. So yeah, this is a one-time buff. Before it was 1-2 because I was thinking it would be a temporary buff. Then they could only catch the best 2 fish rather than all 3. But since it's a permanent buff, we need them to be able to catch the lowest fish as well. So yeah, there we go. I want to figure out where I should put the picture of the fishing buff. Um, Probably this thing here, maybe. No, because this isn't. No, we should probably do the fishing manager like we had before. So if j ECU dot and we need this. We need this. Wait, what is this? Draw text? Oh shoot. Wait, no, we want draw sprite. Okay, so this is the sprite would be SPR fishing icon or fishing spot. Yeah, that's that one. Comma 1 for the index. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Let's see. XY scale would be probably 0.75. XY position is going to be whatever this stuff is. And then it's rotation 0. And then C white and then 1. So right here. Get rid of this. All right. We say 0 C underscore white. There we go. So, okay. We won't know. Interesting. Never seen that before. Oh. Wait, what? No? Wait, what? Okay. What just happened? Yeah, well. Let's just start it. Yeah. What the? Hey, I must be tripping because I've never seen that happen before. Okay. Go. It looks right. Strange. Okay, let's go to our. Let's go to. Oh. Huh. Strange. Okay, well, let's take. We'll take this and. I don't. Uh. Okay. Wow, okay. I'm just still baffled that I was blacking my whole entire screen. Okay, well, let's go to our manager again. Let's just replace all this. What did I just do? Yeah. All right, there we go. Okay, one of the things that yes, so our mouse needs to be above fishing stuff. Yeah. So now, yeah. All right. All right. So let's go and we don't need this anymore. We need this thing, or wait, this thing? Then get rid of this. Okay. We need to get rid of that. We need to make this a little bit bigger. Okay. So somewhere else we are making the fish icon show up. And I think it's here. Yeah, fishing buff true. Get rid of that. We don't need that. Um so let's think. What is the next thing we need to do? Let's go back to here. For now, that's fine. Ah, God, I'm thinking. I'm blanking out on what I was doing. Okay, let's just test it out and try and catch a catfish. Well, actually, let's cancel it first. And then let's get it. Oh, that's what it is. This thing. Okay. Let's change that before we continue testing. Okay. Um okay. Nice. So let's go and fish for a little bit. Okay, we got a gold or a carp. We're battling a goldfish. Let's get at this. Okay, so I think it's yeah, okay. Probability is saying that we are in fact not able to catch a catfish. So let's figure out why. So, I mean, you might have been able to see it, but right here down in my log, it was showing what I was fighting for, and not once out of the 1 in 3 chance did we ever get a catfish, so odds are it's not working. And so we need to go to... Is it this thing? No. No. Okay. We need to go to the manager where we're picking the fish, which is right here. So if the fishing buff is not right, okay. I mean, theoretically this should work. Okay. Let's go back to here, make sure fishing buff is equal true. Yes. All right, let's go, and the way we can test this is in our manager. Wait, is it? Yeah. Where we're selecting our fish, we can drop a show debug message, whatever, and say fishing with buff. And we'll know. Fishing with buff. Wow, really? We're fishing with buff? And we still can't get catfish. That tells me something else is wrong with maybe the array. Ooh, maybe it's this. See how catfish is capitalized here? I think it needs to be lowercase. Not gonna lie. Okay, I need to figure out where I'm even getting this, the fishing reward. It's not this one. I think it's the progress bar. Here. Okay. No, catfish is this. Let's try to this. So what's wrong? What's wrong here? It can't be possible that this 1 in 3 is being failed like 30 times, right? This probability is telling me something is wrong, and it's not the logic. Or it's not the odds of not getting a catfish. Yeah, I mean, look, we're fishing with buff, and we're only getting carp. So, all right. Why? Why? Okay, well, let's put in another debug message. We're gonna say string parity of fish. If we see a 2, then we know something's up. Okay, good. We're not fighting with buff. Get it? Oh. My god. There it is. It's a random range, not an random range. Oh my god. Yeah. Sick. That's sick. That's just great. When do I ever use non-random ranges? Whatever. Yeah, see, catfish? We saw catfish. Catfish. Alright. Got it. Catfish. There we go. So one of the things we also want to do, so that's good. We've done that. We need to go and move these fishing spots around a little bit. Like one here. One here. Like that, maybe. Okay. I'm in my own space. Alright, so our cooldown right now is 30 seconds. I think we'll turn that to 45. One of the things we need to do now is also change our dragon customer. Okay, so if the drink shop is built, then okay, so if the drink shop is built and obj pcu dot fishing buff is true, then we get the full line. All right. I'm gonna say else if we're gonna say if just the drink shop is built, we then say all of this minus the catfish. Okay. Let me take this. Oops. Wow, I could have just copied that. That's crazy. All right. There we go. And then in our create function, we remove catfish. Yeah. Cool. And we need the same for all 3 customers. There we go. We've done it. Okay. So one of the things we need to do now is put up walls. Put up a wall like Donald Trump. Yep. I said that. So the reason is because right now our player character can just run through water and buildings and places I don't want them to be running through. So let's create an instance layer. Call it walls. Let's put it here. Let's uh let's start placing walls. So okay. So we need to just kind of put it like okay. Yeah. There we go. There it is. There's our walls. Okay. Seems fine. But I think we will connect it out here. We're literally boxing them in. Cannot escape. Alright. Um Alright. Alright. I don't really know what else to do. Oh right. We need walls for the buildings. There we go. Perfect. Oh yeah, I totally forgot. I need to make a fishing thing for this guy. Ah, okay. That's one thing we need to do. Next thing, we need to make this town look a little more fair, I guess. Like, kind of. Please, whoever wanted to had your dreams. Alright, we're gonna place a house here. We're going to now then put all houses above the player. Okay. And then maybe we're gonna go houses again. I think this is fine. Maybe just two houses is fine. So now we go walls. There we go. Now they can go. Okay, watch. They should be able to go behind this house on the road, but not where the base is. See? Like this. Wow, look at that. Alright. So one of the things I noticed is that the house is now above the above some stuff. Okay. Okay. Uh Okay, I think that is how we do it. Okay, now yeah, okay. We can go behind this, and our UI elements is still behind this, strangely enough. Okay, where's our... Oh, because it's on our player. Oh, okay. So, alright. Then how about we just take these three things, or these four things, copy it, and then just put it where our mouse is, or our fishing stuff is. And that shouldn't change anything other than the fact that it's now in the front of the hierarchy. See? Now, look, our UI is above the house, and our player is behind the house. And that's fine. That's fine. Okay. Let's go to our walls. Let's create. Okay, and then we're gonna go back to our right, move it a little bit that way. We're gonna then remove the walls, bring back this. Go to our foreground art. Do this. Like this. Okay. Perfect. We need to decorate this little dude's house. Um, I don't know. All right, so we need to go to house number 1, edit image. We're gonna duplicate this thing. We're then going to take fish. Take this. Okay. Go to the house. All right, there we go. So now we can go here. We can go, oh no, we can go back to here. We can go up to our fishing markets. Go to the fishing market house. Make the image index 2. And then now when we spawn in, Okay. Let's just move this. Let's just remove it, man. I don't need that many houses. Okay. Next thing we need is to get the walls. Take all these. Let's do this. It's fine. Like that. Okay. Sick. All right, let's do some tests. Let's start testing and then maybe stop playing. Stop doing this. Okay. So we need to move our character to the starting position, which is here. Oh, I just thought of a cool thing. Right. I remember my like I guess lore for this game was the the there's a sci-fi horse that like crash landed on this place. So maybe like we have this like ground shaking area where they spawn, right? Like in there, like this. And then okay, well that's kind of the framework. Let's figure out. I'm not sure. Wish I had some dark, like some black squares. Hmm. This might work. This might work. Okay. Watch. Okay, watch. Oh, that's too much. Actually, maybe it's not. And then in our foreground art, we take the like dark pain thing that we had here. There we go. Ah, look, he crash landed. Right? There, look. Crash landed. He crash landed. Anyways, let's start playing. Let's just play the game. I think it's just all gonna be playtesting here. From now on for the rest of this recording and fixing anything I find. Hopefully I don't find anything. Okay, so let's go. Okay, we got a carp. Pick up some stuff. Goldfish, sure. Get a goldfish for him. We got a goldfish. Let's go turn it in. 6 coins, sure. Honestly, I might want to buff how much fish are worth, honestly. Because, you know, it takes a while to fish. And if you're only getting like 6 gold per goldfish, it might not feel that good. So we might buff it. We'll see. Got some coconuts for you. Okay. 2 pineapple. Okay. Yeah, we're getting a lot of carp. A lot of money moves. Let's purchase our fishing buff. Let's go here. Sell a bunch of our coconuts. Purchase the fishing market. Let's sell some carp. Ah, carp are so expensive. I like that. Okay. Ah, I get so much money off carp. Yeah, okay. Maybe I don't want to buff fishing. Holy shit, carp is expensive. Oh my god, the carp is so good. Wow, okay. I need more like urgency to eat, you know? It's like I have so much money. You know, like fishing is so broken. Look. I just have forever. I have so much money. There's just like I don't know, at this point it's like there's no point in me playing. Like I've basically beat the game, you know? So I think maybe what I can do is make this fishing shop like much more expensive. Okay, I don't have enough money. Okay, maybe what we can do is make the dragons ask for more. Yeah, I need to adjust how much the dragons ask for because this is just, I mean, like I'm getting so many resources and you know, my resources are not depleting at all. It's probably why. Okay, I forgot about this part. Okay, so yeah, I think it's fine. I mean, maybe it is fine. I think one of the things I probably need to adjust is the dragons asking for too little. Like it's just too little. On catfish, it's fine. How many coconuts? Oop, that's a problem. Yeah. So yeah, we need to fix that. Good thing I freaking talked to that guy. Jesus, that is a glaring issue. Okay. I mean, it's not too bad actually. I don't like it. I think I need to make the energy. I think I need to make um this energy go down quicker. Because right now it's not pressing at all. Like I have so much extra money and it's so cheap to buy apples. So okay, so all right, let's go back. Let's get my notepad. So what did I notice? So we need to increase the cost of the fishing market. The fishing buff NPC can be talked to after purchasing the buff. Dragons need to ask for more, like ask for more resources. Okay. What else? Hunger needs to be more pressing. All right. So those are the four things that I noticed. Um, at first, when I was doing fishing, I was like, man, fishing is so strong. I got so much money so quick. But I mean, it's not that big of a deal. I think for a five, like for the demo that this game is, it's not really a big deal. Obviously, if this were to continue into a much bigger game, you would have to take those economic issues into account. Right now, it's not that glaring. It's not that glaring. So, okay, let's start. What do we need to touch? Increase the cost of fishing market. Let's do that. So, fishing market, NPC. It's just as simple as increasing this to 50. That's fine. All right. Next thing. Oh yeah. Before I forget. No, let's do testing before I do that. But let's write it down. Change the starting money of the player to like 20 or something. I don't know. Increase cost of fishing market. Done. So fishing buff NPC can be talked to after purchasing the buff. Okay, let's do that. That should be a pretty simple fix. So go to our fishing buff connoisseur. that should fix it. Okay. So that's that. We won't check it off until we confirm it. Dragons need to be asked for more resources. Let's do that. That's a good adjustment, I'd say. Harp can be 1 to 3 as well. Okay. Let's take this whole thing. Let's copy it. There we go. Adjusted. Hunger needs to be more pressing. Let's look at that. So, which hunger bar are we currently using? I think it's 1. I'm sure it's this one. But we can check right quick. Yeah, we are. Okay. Should be in the create function. So the lower this number is right here, the 16, the faster it decreases. This is saying it's going down 1 every 16 seconds. It's way too slow. Do it like 6 seconds, maybe. I want it to be an actual thing. I want it to be a thing, right? Like, let's go, maybe let's go 7. That's probably fine. Get rid of this. All right, and now let's test the fishing buff guy. Meow. 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 Yeah. Perfect. Now we can't talk to him. All right. So the other thing that we want to do is I realized. Let's adjust this here. I don't like how I got caught on it on the left side, but not the right. I'd rather just not get caught on either side. Right there. Like that. Okay. That's fine. Okay, make sure all that's off. Make sure this is fine. Okay, we confirmed this thing. Let's change the starting money of our PCU to an acceptable amount, like 20. Okay, so yeah, I think we're basically done. I mean, we're done with this week's changes. I don't think there's really much else we need to do this week. Well, I mean, I'll be messing with it Probably this weekend.
Probably just, I don't know. I might even do it tomorrow. I don't know.
But I am tired. Oh my gosh. It's midnight. Um, I need to turn. Oh, okay. Okay. I really got to make sure this is fine. Like this is ready to go. So let's just do one more last run for the day. Make sure that we're doing good. Um. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Catch some fish. Okay. Okay, we'll fix that. Okay. Place walls below us is better. Alright, okay, can't buy that. Collect some stuff here. I still haven't caught a carp yet. So buy an apple. Let's get this guy's quest. Collect some stuff on the way. Let's talk with the old man. Sell some stuff for some money. Collect some stuff. One of the big things that I think I might have made the hunger too pressing. Um, yeah, I think I made the hunger too pressing. Let's. Yeah, we're getting pretty unlucky with the fish here. Okay, we got a carp. There we go. Okay, we're at $32. Okay, let's actually let's buy the upgrade here first, and let's buy a satisfying thing here. Let's go talk to this guy. And they're all asking for carps. Kind of annoying, but it's okay. Okay. Yeah, I made it probably too pressing for the average player. Like, it's not very pressing for me. Because I know what I'm doing, but I think for someone who has never played this game, also, wow, yeah, I don't like the fact that I'm getting so many of these watermelon things. I'm gonna make the drink shop cheaper. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make it cheaper. Make it 25. Make the drink shop 25. I'm gonna make the fishing buff probably 75. Buy one for the road, I think. Alright. So one of the things we need to do is get more missions. Goldfish, yes, it's good. I think I don't know, do I want to buff goldfish? So we don't have 2 carp. Alright, perfect. Let's get this. Pineapple, perfect. Yeah, let's make them ask for more pineapple and watermelon. Because the reason we don't need them to ask for more coconuts is because we have a coconut shop to sell them to. But right now, I'm like just overflowing with watermelon and pineapple, and I have nothing to do with them until I buy the drink shop. So, what we're gonna do is buy the fish market. We're gonna sell some of our fish here. We're then gonna go down here, talk to Blue, give our 2 carp there. Give our coconut there. Let's try the drink shop. Get some 2 of each drink. Down low. Perfect. So yeah. All right, let's save up for the fishing buff. All right. Go get an apple. Okay, let's do this. 7 coconuts. Make sure we can talk with our dragons, get their quest done. As much money as we can. Perfect. Eat. Sell some carp. We don't have enough to get that yet. Well, we do, but we just need to sell some stuff. So let's actually go do that. Sell some coconuts. Sell enough coconuts to get the fishing upgrade. Okay. We just got a catfish on our first run. That's huge. Buy 2 apples. Let's get 1 of each here. 1 apple to keep us up. Sell all our, well, most of our fish. Let's go and buy a bunch of apples. Get to almost full hunger. Let's collect our quest. 3 goldfish? Damn. There we go, pineapple juice. just check again, make sure we can't talk to him. All right, so that's basically all of the game is. We're done with the game. I mean, can't really do much else except just play. So okay, adjustments I noticed. So make use shop cheaper. Increase dragons request again. We're gonna reduce the fishing again to. We're gonna reduce. Okay, reduce ask for fish. Make hunger reduce by 8. All right. All right. I think after those adjustments, we're gonna be basically done. Just doing these. So place better walls. Let's do that first. It's not the most important thing, but I just kind of noticed it. Okay. There we go. Turn back the walls off. There we go. And make juice shop cheaper. Let's do that. It's as simple as changing this to 25. Okay, made drink shop cheaper. Reduce that. Okay, reduce ask for fish, hunger. Okay, hunger bar. Let's do 8. No, let's do 9. 9. It's fine. 9 is fine. All right. Next thing we want to do is. Okay. Okay. We did this. So now the last thing is just changing our customer. We can reduce this to. What is your name? What is your brand? Say. Alright. Alright. There we go. We did it. There we go. So I think we're gonna wrap it up there. I think we're pretty good. You know? I think it's in a good state right now. What we're gonna do is we're going to build our game now so we can share it with whoever we want. So what I like doing is creating an executable and then packaging as zip. Let's just put it in here. There we go. And now it's built. So it opens, you can extract it to here if you want, and you just double click on here, and now here it is, so you can play. Always. Wait, what? Oh, yo, that's why we always play. Holy crap. Jesus Christ, dude. Okay, PSA. Always test your builds after you build it, because I just tried to. Holy. Oh my god. First me. Okay. 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 Wow. So my merchants were not available. Holy crap. Okay, let's extract again and test. Jesus. Okay. Now you should always know to test your games. Okay, there it is. Strange. That fish did not move. That fish is moving. Oh yeah, wait, let's test the fish got away mech. I haven't tested that mech in so long. Hey man, get away from me. Got away. Pretty hard to lose, honestly. We're getting pretty unlucky with the watermelon here. Okay though. Yeah, I like this hunger better. Obviously later it won't really matter too much, but that's okay. I want 2 carp. Ooh, this is 1000% a carp. I feel it. It is. Let's go. Okay. I mean, we're already at 72. That's huge. Okay. We need to start. So realistically, what we would do here is buy the fishing market, sell our fish here, and then head down here, buy the upgrade, and then buy the fish, or buy the apples. And then buy like a couple extra, you know? Kind of the strat here. the other strat is for optimizing your hunger is when it gets down below to like below 5, you see like, oh, it hits 5, and then you can wait like 6-7 seconds and then eat, and you kind of gain almost one more hunger than you should. Because it will reset. Though I don't actually maybe it won't reset the timer. I don't think it resets the timer, so maybe that's not a thing. I don't think I coded that part, so maybe I'm wrong. Seven watermelon. Dude. Dude, I'm almost under the guise that I don't want to have coconuts being offered to the dragons. You know? Also, wow, they are not asking for pineapples. They're asking for only watermelons. That's crazy. Ah, there's pineapples. Speak of the devil. Let's buy the drink shop. Yeah, okay. We didn't need to buy the drink shop, I just felt like it. We should be saving up and buying this fishing upgrade. Yeah, okay. I think we're done. I'm happy with that. Let's close this. All right, let's wrap this up. So, thanks for listening. I mean, it was a nice 2 hours. Pretty casual. I mean, just me bug fixing and improving the game to where I think it should be. But yeah, the next focus after this is going to be kind of away from mechanics and stuff like that and improving visuals. So I think the first thing we're going to be doing is whenever the character or the player reels in a fish, it like pops out like what fish it is and not just adds it to your inventory. Like you see like a little icon just like jump out or something. I don't know. Whatever fish you catch. So, yeah. I guess that's the first thing that'll happen next video. But yeah, for now, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.